My name is Cynthia Fleming and welcome to Faire Live. Today we're going to look at what copywriting is and how you can grow a business with it. So, copywriting is defined as the activity or occupation of writing the text of advertisements or of publicity materials. So a couple things that you need to have in order to be a good copywriter is curiosity. You need to want to learn to explore and investigate things. Also, research. You need to be able to understand your market and learn how to speak to them in their language about their situations. Also, you need to be a good listener. You need to listen to what your audience wants and needs and figure out how to provide that. You need to make sure that you are in the daily practice of copywriting grammar. Now, you don't need a degree in journalism or English. You just need to practice, write ads for your favorite services or products. Practice makes perfect. Be consistent. Should be a daily practice. So copywriting is one of the high income skills that are necessary for both brick and mortar and online businesses. It is a skill that while learning it won't put you in the poorhouse, trying to learn it, trying to maintain it, or even trying to improve on it. So you can BYOB with this skill, be your own boss. You can be a freelancer. So it is a very highly desired marketing and advertising skill that could make you a six-figure income, and you can learn how to do this without a degree. So now that I have your attention, let me tell you how it will grow a business. Now, we can be growing your business or someone else's business, depending on whether or not you've been hired by another business or if you're doing this for your own business. So, a copywriter has the ability to get the reader or listener to take action. Now, you don't have to be a scholarly writer at all. Again, it doesn't need to have fancy words, So, actually, if it can be simple, it should be simple. Like third grade simple. Really. Seriously. You're aiming for busy people that need a solution quickly. So you have to think about the fact that you'll lose them if you're not telling them how your whatever it is benefits them and what they need to do to get it. When someone has a pain point, it's really not a slow decision. They're going to want relief right away. So you need to also be able to market your copywriting. So you don't know how to get it out there? Well, if you have a business with products of your own, start utilizing your own copywriting. Don't pay someone else to do something that you can do yourself. If you're not and you're trying out the freelancing part of copywriting, offer your copywriting skills to businesses for free. Yeah, really. Because once they have proof of the copywriting's effectiveness, then you can get additional paid work. So this will enable you to gather some real feedback from real businesses and improve yourself and your copywriting as needed. I do my best to provide you guys with helpful tools and resources to help grow your own entrepreneur spirit and develop your business. Please hit the subscribe button below if you found this information slightly helpful to you. Also, look in the description box. Usually there's links and tools in there to help you along in your journey. Again, thanks for joining Faire Live.